too drunk. You're good. You just want to do the whole thing? Okay. We're just gonna do a little bit of noise so he can EQ us. Alright, if you're outside, come inside. If you're in that hallway, come in here, please. Thank you. Thank you.
I just said no. I didn't say they didn't know. I said just.
Yo, we're special purpose automatic shotgun 12 gauge. Yo, can we get the samples up? Let's get it! Oh shit! Oh shit. That's fucking thinking! It's not fucking awesome!
Yo, thank you.
Yo, we just released a demo in, I think it was fucking April. This song is off that.
This song's called Empty Cases. You're dead. Thank you. Yo, like you said, we are SPAS 12, or Special Purpose Automatic Shotgun 12 gauge. So thank you for being here. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for coming for the first fan. Give it yourselves a round of applause for Kurbstompt, wherever those little homies are. Shout out to our lovely, lovely friends in Dredge. We fucking love those cats. Local legends Figurine. And last but certainly not fucking least, Corpse Pile. Insane band. We appreciate you all being here, so thank you. Scoot up, scoot up. I don't know what's going on. I don't like this little horseshoe business. Come on. Come on. Damn, bro.
Catch you.
That's cool. That's cool. Yeah, I mean, you can stay back there, but this is for the people that enjoy music. So.
Hey, for release time, we released a demo in April. This next song's off that. It's called Neoform Terrorism.
So what do you want?
What I've always wanted is to watch you die.
Thank you. Can you turn up his mic just a hair? Turn him up just a hair. Thank you.
Hey, who fucks with covers? Hey, all of you should know this, bro. Come up here, get my mic. I don't care. It's called Suicide Silence. Unanswered.
Thank you.
Hey, where are my spin kickers at? We're not done. This is our last song. It's called Paralysis. Yo, where are my spin kickers, bro?
band. Have a good fucking night. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you.